Hello, I'm John Wright at MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. Today we're going to take a look at a brand new Boston Whaler 350 rail, fresh from the factory. Give you a little spec information on the boat first. The boat's 35 foot 6 inch overall, has a beam of 10 foot 10 inches, and a weight with engines and gear of about 18,830 pounds. The great thing about the Realm is it combines a lot of the features that are popular on whaler models across the board. You've got the day seating, the day boat use of a Vantage, you've got the offshore capabilities of an Outrage, and then you've got the cabin capabilities of, say, a Conquest. So it really checks a lot of boxes. Give you a little information here, starting with the transom. This boat is equipped with the triple 350 Mercury Verados with joystick piloting. As we make our way into the cockpit, you've got a freshwater shower. You've got a cockpit that converts to fishing to seating. You've got a bench seat back here. You have your ladder for your swim door or tuna door, stores under the seat. Another great thing about Whaler, and this boat in particular, is how accessible everything is. You can get to all your power steering pumps, your through hulls, your generator. Everything stores away nicely, easy to access. Your table for the cockpit, the teak table, stores under the lid. This boat is equipped with the cool box feature here, which you can access. You can put drinks, snacks in here. You can also access it this way when you want to load it up. You have a cockpit grill and fridge. So you have your Kenyon grill, nice Corian countertop, fridge, wet bar area. You have a Sure Shade, electric shade, comes all the way out to the back seat for when you want to get some relief from the sun. You've got full enclosures that enclose the helm area. So when you move up to the helm area and you do choose to enclose it, you've got cockpit heat and air here. You also have a helm seat that swivels, so you can face backwards, you can swing around, face forward for when you're operating the boat. Again, a lot of walk around space. It's not cramped, everyone has room. You also have the premium audio package on this boat. So you have the upgraded JL audio sound system with the fusion system. At the helm, you've got the twin Raymarine Axiom, trim tabs, digital throttle, and again, joystick piloting with skyhook. Great feature on this boat. As we move up to the bow area, you've got a nice teak table that actuates down, converts this to a sun pad. Lots of room and seating up here. Again, the premium audio, another set of fusion controls. Windlass in the bow area. And then we'll step down and take a look in the cabin. You've got nice blue LED accent lighting. Nice V-berth area. Nicely finished head, television. You know, and the fit and finish you've come to expect from a Boston Whaler. Well, again, this is John Wright from MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. We'd be glad to show you this boat or any boat we have in inventory. Come see us. Give us a call at 910-256-8100.